Hey you guys, today we are going to install the launch screen protector for the Tesla Model 3, and here we go. So first thing we're going to look here is, you guys can see all the stuff it offers, but we're going to open it right up. Alright, so before you want to even do any of this, my best advice would be to roll up the windows and turn off the AC, and this is to prevent any dust from flying around in the car. So after we have the windows up and everything, we're going to want to go to display and then screen clean mode. Now you're going to want to remove this alcohol pad, and we're going to start just wiping the screen down, getting all the dust and oils and fingerprints and all that off of the screen here. And then we're going to take this very clean towel here, and we're going to wipe the screen down again. And make sure there's no fingerprints, no dust, so get a good look at it like that. If there's dust, you can grab one of these things here, and this is basically just a sticker, and if there's any dust on there, you can just go like this and pull the dust off, and this allows you to not touch the screen with your finger while you're getting the dust off. Now we are ready to install the screen protector here. So a couple things to note. It's okay to get this totally dirty because you're not getting the sticky side dirty. What we're going to do here is we're going to pull this tab off, and we're going to pull the whole back off, and we're going to apply the screen protector. So some things to know is that it's very, very slightly curved here. You can see the curve is right here, and it's pointing down here, so the curve is going down like that at the bottom. So be sure to put it on correctly. Don't put it on like this because it won't turn out right. So we're ready. We are now going to peel this backing off, and this is the part where you don't really want to touch it, the back side here. Okay, peel the back side off, and now you're good to touch this side part and keep everything balanced here. And we're just going to match this corner up. We're going to match that corner up here. And once you get it to where you want it, you can drop it down like that. And then you can get a towel and you can help this process go a little faster here. And you guys can see that there's bubbles starting to form. That's okay. We'll touch on that in just a second. So we can just let this go. It's probably really hard to see, but you can see the air is slowly leaving out. And we're just going to let it do its thing, because the more we interfere with it, the more bubbles are going to show up. Okay. Let me point out a couple things to you. We've got bubbles here, and a little bit down here. We're going to first do this. We're just going to take a finger. This one on the end might be easier. And we're just going to swipe it towards the closest way out. Get these inner bubbles out here. We're just going to get a fingernail under here. And we're just going to re-lift just like that. And we got them out. And we're going to drop it and repeat. See, now they're no longer there. And I'm staying away from this wave of it leaving. Boom. Your new screen protector is installed. Now you can hold this down for 3 seconds here. And there you go. You now have a blue light safe screen protector ready to go.